discussing our expert center. So we have two models lang na isi-showcase sa inyo. Our P-Series, P500, and our all-in-one P400 desktop. Okay, next please. So, our P500 or our P-Series actually fits siya for SMB. So, bakit? Kasi dinisign namin siya wherein yung cost is magbe-benefit dun sa mga customers natin. So, alam naman natin na desktop, in general, is mas mahal talaga siya compared sa mga laptops. So, what we did is design itong model na to, which is P-Series, for our SMB customers. Those who have limited IT budget, so under 200 employees. So, basically, yung mga small organizations or company. Okay, next please. So, in terms of design, so actually kahit na mas sabihin na natin mas cheaper siya dun sa in general models ng mga desktop, but design itself is very corporate. So it has awards, no? Kung nakita niyo dun sa last slide. And also in terms of specs, so we have options. For this P-Series, specifically our P500 models is up to Intel Core 7 na. So, latest processor ng Intel din yung ginagamit namin dito. So, since desktop siya, we have an option also for the dedicated graphics, which is up to RTX 4060 na graphics, and the storage up to 2 terabyte using SSD, and also it can support still yung lumang HDD drive na up to 2 terabyte din. Then, of course, the memory is up to 64 gig using DDR5 5600 megahertz na. Okay? So, in terms of the cooling design, so medyo kakaiba siya compared sa general desktop na alam natin. No? So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung cooling system niya is parang design na ng laptop, which is may heatsink, tapos may heat pipe, then may exhaust. So, for our P500, so kung makikita nyo doon sa aming display area, so ganito na ang design niya. So, to improve yung cooling natin. Okay? So, next. So, comparing sa traditional desktop design, which is yung fan and yung cooling system is nasa ibabaw or on top of the processor. So, our design is meron ng copper pipes to guide yung heat palabas. So, much improve yung cooling natin. Okay? So, in terms of the design pa rin, so as you can see, since using yung mobile processor, and also yung cooling design natin is parang laptop na again. And also yung mga components niya, for example, the memory is using the laptop memory na. So yan yung improvement natin sa P-Series na ating desktop. Okay, so in terms of I/O ports naman, since desktop siya, so syempre, hindi pa rin mawawala yung mga options natin for I/O ports. So for this model, so for P500, we have the dual display capability na agad. So we use HDMI port and display port. So even if na hindi kayo maglagay ng GPU, you can use dual monitor na agad. So for this desktop. So in terms of flexible expansion, so since desktop siya, as you can see, it can support still the 3.5 HDD, the large hard drive. And also we have an option for PCIe for graphics, then M.2 storage, yung mga SSD storage natin, and Wi-Fi also, we can also add for this model. Okay, next. So in summary, this is the overall specs of our P500. So sa laptop, nakita nyo kayo na supported na yung expert meet. So for desktop also, is supported na rin siya. So meron na rin siya expert meet, AI noise cancelling, AI camera, all the expert meet feature, translation, transcript, meron na rin siya. Okay, next. Then we will go to the P400. Ito naman yung all-in-one desktop namin na nandito rin, naka-showcase sa harap natin. So for P400 desktop natin, so here we have the reasons to purchase. So basically, compact design. So from our previous design na medyo mas malapad pa, so mas pinanipis namin. so that yung design niya is more slick, tsaka mas maganda yung, and mas maliit yung footprint niya din sa mga desk ng mga users natin. So, this is the measurements. Actually, ni-reduce namin up to 38%. And yung thickness is reduced up to 25% from the previous model namin. Okay? So, thoughtful functionality, we have an option for the stand. So, meron tayong option for fixed stand, which is can tilt lang. So, we also have the height adjustable stand. Ito na yung pwede natin i-angat or i-flip, i-rotate. And we also have the retractable camera and also cable management system for this one. Okay, next. So, actually, this is the feature of the height adjustable. We can do rotate, swivel, tilt, and adjust yung height natin, and also VESA mount na rin siya if in case required nyo na i-mount siya somewhere. Okay? Then, overall, this is the specs. So, same yung P500 desktop natin. So, it also supports yung mga productivity solutions na na-discuss natin, expert meet, AI camera, AI noise cancelling, and also some of other features na I think hindi lang nakalagay dito. Actually, our P400 AIO is the first all-in-one na military grade. So, other brands may all-in-one sila, pero walang test na ginawa for military grade. So, this one is already has. Okay? Next. Okay na. So, that's it. So, basically, that's the last slide of our presentation for the desktop portion. Thank you. Thank you so much.